Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll be showing you how to set default currency in Spendee. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to more right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. And once done, as you can see here, we have the option main currency. Okay, so all you do is just tap on it. Now go ahead and select the default currency that you want. For example, we have here, okay, Australian dollar. Just going to tap on it. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, when you go ahead over to timeline, okay, you will be able to see the wallet's currency, okay, and your default currency. All right. And there you have it. Now, if you want to change your wallet's currency, just make sure that you have the premium version or the paid plan. Okay, now go ahead over to your wallets right here, like so. Tap on Cash Wallet or any other wallet. Now tap on the three dots at the top right. Now just go ahead and tap on currency right here and you should be able to change it. Okay, once done, don't forget to hit on Save Changes and you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.